Hello everybody, it's your girl Bria Van Kooten and welcome back to my channel, y'all. We are here with a little unboxing haul. As you guys can read by the title, I got a new bag, I got a new handbag, and I am excited about this handbag. And I was like, I gotta film this video so I can unbox this and put it in my closet. So I'm here filming my unboxing for today. Guys, stay tuned. If you're ready to see what bag I got, stay tuned, and yeah, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, so how long I've had this bag now? I think a week and a half. Yeah, it's been a week and a half since I purchased my new handbag. I got a Ralph Lauren Ricky bag, which I call it the Ralph Lauren Birkin, because it gives me very much Hermes Birkin vibes. It gives me that luxury, that bougie, that womanly type of bag, and I always associated with that. The first time I saw the Ricky, I associated with the Birkin for me. I've seen other people say that as well, but for me, definitely that's what I saw. So yes, I finally got my hands on one. I'm so excited to finally have my hands on one. I've been wanting one for a couple years now, so I'm glad I got it. I was about to purchase one a couple months ago, but then it ended up selling out and I wasn't able to get it. But I'm happy that I got this one. This is the one that I was meant to get, you know? And what is meant for you will be for you, and this one was meant for me, and I'm so happy to have it in my possession. So yes, I'm not gonna I'm gonna chat a little bit, but I'm not gonna try to chat too much. But yes, got the shopping bag right here, Ralph Lauren. It's in the dust bag. Let's get into it, and then of course I'm gonna talk about some facts and statistics about the Ricky bag. So yes, comes in this dust bag right here that says Ralph Lauren, and drum roll please. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, like it's giving boss bitch, it's giving woman, it's giving yeah. I got the pinstripe Ricky 33, and it is beautiful. It is beautiful. Like, look at it. You see the pinstripe? When I saw the pinstripe, I was like, no, I need this. The pinstripe is everything. I can dress it up, which of course it is a dressy bag, so I'm gonna dress her up, but I can also dress her down, because one thing about it, my style is very versatile. I love to dress up, but I also love to like play with dressy mixed with casual street style at the same time. So I'm excited to style this. It is so good. I won't be wearing it until next month, because I'm going to Europe next month, and I feel like the first time I want to pull her out is in Europe. I feel like she deserves to be pulled out in Europe first. So stay tuned for that vlog. Of course, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Bria Van Kooten, because I will be having Europe content on there. But yes, she's beautiful, so beautiful. So yeah, as you can see, it has the straps right here. It says Ralph Lauren right here. It has this like little key thing, but all you got to do is just push it down and then pull the flap up. So yeah, let's open her and look at the insides. Got that. I definitely will not be buckling her every single time, because this is a lot of work to unbuckle and do all that extra shit. So no. So yes, you pull it down like that, and then you lift her up like so, and then this is her inside. Definitely spacious. And oops, we have a little baggie. Yes, this is for the straps, so I can also do her crossbody, which I love as well. For the most part, I'll probably be carrying her like this, but if I want to, I can make it crossbody. But yes, this is it inside. Very spacious, and it has one single pocket right over here at the top. I'm gonna get my MacBook. That's always the test. I have the 13-inch MacBook Pro, so I'm gonna get it and just see if it can fit in there. That's always the test. Once that fits in there, everything else can fit in there. Right, got the MacBook, and yep, and it still has a lot of space. Like, look at that. Still has enough space to fit so much more. I could fit my iPad in here as well. I love that. I love a bag that I can fit a lot of stuff in. One thing about me, I love large bags. I love a big bag. I love a mini bag, but I love a large bag. It's just everything. Oh, the pinstripe. I have a look in mind that I want to do. I cannot wait to execute it because I really want to do like a full pinstripe look, like a whole pinstripe look with this bag. Maybe, like I said, your girl be giving looks. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you should be following me on Instagram because I'm that girl. Okay. So like I said, this is the Soft Ricky 33 pinstripe bag. If you don't know, the Ricky was first introduced in 2005. And it is named after Ralph's wife, Ricky, if you don't know, Ricky Lauren, and that is his muse, his inspiration, and it's inspired by 19th century English luggage. It's definitely giving that vibe. I definitely can see that. And he said in an interview, I was always looking for a handbag that would have a timeless kind of style, beauty, and character. So it's definitely that. It's such a timeless bag. I'm gonna have this from years to years and years to come. And again, versatility. I can wear it so many different ways, so many different times, and I love that. This bag is calfskin, lambskin, and wool, and it takes 10 to 12 hours to create a Ricky bag. So it is handmade in Italy, so you're getting luxury for real. It's really luxurious. And in like the early 2000s, I've seen, like when the Ricky first came out, like I said, 2005, I've seen so many celebrity women wear the Ricky. I've seen Jessica Alba wear it a couple times. She had like a large one and a mini. And then I've seen Madonna, and most recent, Charlotte from Sex and the City, Kristen Davis' character in Sex and the City. Well, and just like that, she had a Ricky bag when Rock was doing the Ralph Lauren shoot. Charlotte pulled up in a Ricky bag. So that was like the most recent, the most updated sighting that I've seen recently of somebody with it on like TV, a celebrity public eye. So I was like, okay, that would be cute. I definitely wish I saw more people like on date. I mean, I guess because a Ricky bag to me is one of those bags where it's like, if you know, you know, which I like. Is one of those, it's like exclusivity. So let me not say I wish I saw more people wearing it, which yes, I do, because it is a nice bag, but it's exclusive. Because once I pull her out, it's gonna be like, oh, where you got that? But like I said, if you know, you know, and if you don't, you don't. So it's one of those things which I love. I feel like that way about Ralph Lauren in general. I feel like Ralph Lauren is a timeless brand, and even though it's very popular and people know about it, there's a lot of people that don't know like the clothing, like they don't know the pieces. They know like the popular things, but they don't know everything. So it definitely is well known, but it is still exclusive at the same time. Like that's what it gives me, exclusivity. Very much that. So yeah, definitely happy to have her in my wardrobe. This bag was originally $3,600, $3,600. Yes, $3,600, and they came down to $2,500. That was the sale price. It is now sold out online. It is nowhere. Probably I'll see if I can find it on like another site, a resale site, or Nordstrom or Bergdorf's or Bloomingdale's or some other place that carries Ralph Lauren. If I could find it, I will link it down below. If not, I will still link some other Ricky bags down below that I like, and I think they are so freaking cute. I was looking up earlier and I saw a denim one. I'm like, oh my god, this is so freaking fire. But I'll link some of my faves down below so you guys can see and check it out. But yes, y'all, if y'all have a Ricky, let me know what color you have, which one you have. Comment down below, let me know. Of course, like the video, subscribe to my channel, check out my previous videos. Like I said, follow me on my social medias at Bria Van Kooten. It does come with the, this is what I have in my hand, the authentication card with like the price, and this is the card of like authentication. But yes, that if you're wondering what I have in my hand. But yeah, follow me on my social medias at Bria Van Kooten, my Instagram, my Twitter, and my TikTok. And yes, y'all, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace, love, 2-6.